honorable chief guests, teachers, and all my dear friends. Now, I would like to speak some words on a very important topic. Muhammad, the most honest man in the world. Dear audience, the Prophet Muhammad is the most truthful person among who speaks in this world. His words, his informations, and his statements are true. He is truthful and just. He did not know lying in his life seriously or jokingly. Rather, he forbade lying and described the evil of liars and said, إن الصدق يهدي إلى البر وإن البر يهدي إلى الجنة ولا يزال الرجل يصدق ويتحرى الصدق حتى يكتب عند الله صديقا. Truthfulness leads to righteousness, and righteousness leads to paradise. A man keeps speaking the truth and keeps searching for the truth until he is written down as a truthful in the sight of Allah. The intellectuals, the Prophet Muhammad said, the believer may be stingy and may be craven, but he never lies. He warned against lying in just to make people laugh. It suffices for him to be truthful that the Almighty Allah entrusted him with a message for all over the world until the end of the world. And he conveys it completely to human beings with full honesty and truthfulness. He did not decrease a letter, nor he add a letter. All his words, his actions and conditions are based on full honesty. He is honest in peace and in the war and battlefield. He is honest in pleasure and in anger. He is honest in seriousness and cheerfulness. He is honest in statement and judgment. He is honest in speaking or ruling. He is honest with friend and enemy, man and woman. He is honest in sale and purchase. He is honest in covenant and agreement. Dear friends, he is infallible and safe from lies from Allah Almighty. Almighty Allah has strengthened his tongue, arranged his words, reformed his pronunciation, and his corrected his speech. So, he is such a truthful and honest person for whom not a single false letter and a single word against the truth has been preserved in history. Rather, he is the one who came with the truth from his Lord. His every words are true. His sunnah is true, and every aspect of his life is true. His pleasure is true. His laughter is true, and his abuse. Here I wind up my speech, thanking you all great people for paying heed to my words. Jazakumullah khairan.